The Battle of Concord, fought on April 19, 1775, was a defining moment in the early stages of the American Revolutionary War. Following orders to suppress colonial resistance, British troops under Lieutenant Colonel Francis Smith marched from Boston to seize weapons and ammunition stored by the Colonial Militia in Concord, Massachusetts. Along the way, they encountered resistance at Lexington, where the first shots of the war were fired. By the time the British reached Concord, most of the military supplies had been hidden or removed. At North Bridge, a force of Minutemen and Militia engaged the British, forcing them to retreat after an intense exchange of fire. This skirmish became famous as the moment when the American colonists, for the first time, successfully repelled British troops in open battle. As the Redcoats retreated toward Boston, they were relentlessly attacked by growing numbers of armed colonists who used guerrilla tactics, firing from behind trees, walls, and buildings. The British suffered heavy casualties, and their retreat turned into a desperate struggle for survival. The battle demonstrated that the American patriots were willing and able to fight for their independence, marking the true beginning of the Revolutionary War and inspiring widespread rebellion.